Hello, beautiful people. Hope you all are doing well. Let's listen some beautiful words. There is a purpose for everyone you meet. Some people come into your life to test you, some to teach you, some to use you, and some to bring out the very best in you. Loving others always cost us something and required effort, and you have to decide to do it on purpose. You cannot wait for a feeling to motivate you. A beautiful heart will bring things into your life that all the money in the world could not get you. After every mistake, most of us say, I am sorry. Only few say and ask, what should I do to make it right? This attitude make a relation beautiful and honest. The best thing in your life finding someone who knows all your flaws, mistakes and weakness and still think you are completely amazing. Never think I have nothing. Never think I have everything, but always think I have something. I can achieve anything. Good things come to those people who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. For anything worth having, one must pay the price, and the price is always work, patience, love, self sacrifice. No paper currency, no promise to pay, but the gold of real service. God is not asking you to figure it out. He asking you to trust that He already has. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.